Okay, so look at that. It's not snow. This one is ice. Very slippery.
Is a historical moment in Texas. They're not used to getting icy roads like this. They're not used to getting snow. They're not prepared for this.
Oh my gosh, this is so slippery.
Yeah. And the roads are all ice. You can see it's just ice on the top of the road. So this is a real...
It's really strange. There are no cars. I mean, only few.
No, this
driving.
is worse than COVID. In COVID, the roads were bare, but there was some traffic. This is no traffic. This is supposed to be one of the busiest streets in downtown Dallas, and no one is driving. It's a pretty remarkable sight. So returning the vehicle was a good idea. See here, this is a parking lot. Some might call this a skating rink.
It is. It looks like a skating rink.
I know. I never would have thought I would ever see snow in Texas in my whole life, and yet here I am. It's very icy underneath. It's really not safe for people to be driving. It's really dangerous.
The temperature right now is 20 degrees Fahrenheit, but it feels like negative 18 because of the wind. Look at that. Winterstorm is coming tomorrow, so there will be a heavy snow and sleet accumulations of 4 to 8 inches, along with light icing due to high freezing rain. There's no one around. No vehicles, no cars.
Oh, there's one.
Oh, there's a bus.
Yeah, there's a bus. That's a DART bus too. That's the one we need to figure out how to get on. I'm glad that there's a bus. That's...
I'm happy at least I can go to the airport.
Yeah, I don't know how. We gotta figure that out, but yeah. That's our whole purpose right now.
The airport has started.